Hello students, we have learnt in Act 3 Scene 4 that Portia and Nerissa were planning to go to Venice, isn't it? Now what is the scenes tells we will learn. Okay, see your page number 74. See that the scene opens in humorous notes amidst the saddening plight of Antonio. Beside the scene as a whole provides a sense of passage of time that is necessary for us to imagine Portia's journey to Venice. Lancelot and Jessica exchange social comment. Later, Lorenzo joins them and asks Jessica what she thinks of Portia. Jessica praises Bassanio's heavily fortune in winning Portia's hand. So this scene, what it tells? The scene opens in a humorous note. Now till now we have learnt about the sad melancholy, isn't it? So now here, amidst saddening plight of Antonio, humorous note we can find it. Okay, besides the scene as a whole, it provides a sense of passage of time that is necessary for us to imagine Portia's journey to Venice. Already I told you, they both were planning to where? To go to Venice. Lancelot and Jessica exchange social comment. What did that mean? That means Lancelot was staying in Jessica's house, isn't it? With Shylock. Now he is going to he already left the job of Shylock and went to where? To join to Bassanio. So now they both were have little social comment in between. Okay. Then later Lorenzo joins them and asks Jessica what she thinks of Portia. Then Jessica praises Bassanio and telling that such a way he was lucky enough, so that fortunate enough to win the Portia's hand. Who is praising? Jessica is praising. To whom? Portia. Okay, now we will go through. Scene 5, Belmont, a garden, enter Lancelot and Jessica. Scene 5, what happened? Belmont, a garden. Who entered? Entered Lancelot and Jessica. Lancelot is telling. Yes, truly, for look you, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. Therefore, I promise you, I fear you. I was always playing with you, and so now I speak my agitation instead of cogitation. It has mentioned as agitation. Cogitation means thought of the matter. Therefore, be of good cheer, for truly I think you are damned. So, what Lancelot is telling? Yes, indeed. Happen that children are punished for the sins of their father. When the parents are doing any sins, that will be on children. It is very often we are saying, isn't it? Therefore, I tell you, I am anxious about what will happen to you in future. I have always been honest to you. So now I tell you that my great fear on this point. Because your father is a cruel one. Whose father? Jessica's father. Now Lancelot is telling about Jessica's father and parents, isn't it? So come on, cheer up, because I think that you are destined to be damned after death. He is telling to Jessica. Jessica, I shall be saved by my husband. He hath made me a Christian. Then Jessica is giving assurance that my husband's good deeds will save me. What he will save her? My husband means who's Jessica's who's Lorenzo, isn't it? Lorenzo's good deeds will save her. Whatever, because he made her Christian. Because she was Jew, isn't it? The Lancelot. Truly, the more to blame we were Christians enough more before, even as many as could well live on one by another. This making of Christians will raise the price of hogs. If we grow all to be pork eaters, we shall not shortly have a ration on the coals of money. So what is going to tell now? Truly means honestly, I want to tell you that there will be more blame on him. Whom? On Lorenzo, because he has converted you from Jew to Christian. Because there are enough of Christians. We have enough. Before Christians, we have enough. Before he converted you, we could have lived together. But Christians are increased in this manner if, then means price of hogs. Price of hogs means what? Price of pigs. Okay. Will become more in raise. It will raise. It will raise the price of pigs. Are you understanding? It will raise the price of pigs. Because this is because for if we all become pork eaters, okay, pork eaters means pig fish, isn't it? Pig meat, sorry, pig fish, pig meat. If they are becoming pork eaters, we will not get any price, a slice of bacon to cook over the coal fire. Short piece also we will not get. Okay, Launcelot is telling Jessica, I'll tell my husband Launcelot what you say. Here he comes, enter Lorraine. Then Jessica is telling, wait, you are cheating, teasing me such a way, no? I'll tell my husband. Who is telling? Jessica is telling to Launcelot. Okay. Then I shall tell my husband what you have told me. Wait, then there only who reached? Lorraine. I shall grow jealous of you shortly, Launcelot, if you thus get my wife into corners. Then Lorraine is telling, I'll be jealous of you if I find you talking with my wife in quiet places like the corners. Okay, who is telling this? Lorraine is telling. Jessica, no, nay, you need not fear us, Lorraine. Launcelot and I are out. He tells me flatly there's no mercy for me in heaven because I am a Jew's daughter, and he says you are no good member of the Commonwealth, for in converting Jews to Christians, you raise the price of pork. Okay, what she is telling now? She is telling, oh, there is nothing to worry about, my dear Lorraine. Who is telling? Jessica is telling. Okay, Launcelot and I had a quarrel. We both were quarreling little. He tells me that there is no mercy for me in heaven because I am a Jew's daughter. Isn't it? There will be no mercy for me in heaven. Further, he says that you are not a good member of the Christian community. He is telling me, since by converting Jews to Christian increase of the price of the pork. He is telling that you already, pork's price already increased. Who is telling? This Jessica is telling to Lorraine. Then Launcelot. To Launcelot, go in, Sirrah, bid them prepare for dinner. Then Launcelot is telling, go and tell them to prepare the. Sirrah means what? So soon you go. Okay. Go sit up, bid them prepare for the dinner. Tell them to prepare the dinner. Okay. Then Launcelot. That is done, sir. They have all stomachs. And what is telling? Launcelot is telling, yes, already prepared. Okay. Already it has been prepared because they all are hungry. Dinner is already prepared. Already they are hungry. Lorraine. Goodly Lord, what wit snapper are you? Then bid them prepare dinner. Then what is telling that? What a comic character you have, no? Then tell them to prepare dinner. Once more he is repeating. Then Launcelot, that is done too, sir. Only cover is the word. And then Launcelot is telling, that is already over. That has been done. You just need to tell them to lay the table. Then Lorraine, will you cover then, sir? Then will you order the table to be covered with dishes, sir? Lorraine is asking, shall I tell? The dishes should be prepared well. Then Launcelot, not so, sir. Neither I know my duty. Launcelot is saying, no need to tell, sir. I know my duty, how to keep my hat and everything. Okay. Thank you.